What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got an exciting video today. We're back working on my truck that I recently bought. If you guys haven't seen that video, I highly recommend you go check that out. Today we're doing a fun, simple little upgrade that makes a huge difference, takes no time at all, and that is LED upgrades in the headlights. I've wanted to do this since I got the truck. The headlights in this are very dim, very old. It'll be a great upgrade to get LEDs in there. Not to mention it's a super easy upgrade that anybody can do. So Oxylam actually offered to send me out some of their LED headlights to try out. So we have the whole setup here for my Ford front headlights. They have headlights for all sorts of cars and trucks. So if you guys want to pick up a set of these for yourself, you can use my code Spruce Hill Earth, which I will leave down in the description along with a link to their website. And you just go through, enter in your car or your truck, and it'll show you the headlights for that. So super easy to use website. Again, Spruce Hill Earth for 20% off your order. Thanks again to Oxylam for sending these out to me. So I'm gonna run you guys through how to install them for people who've never changed before, but it's super easy. These are the headlights now. You can see how dim they are. And keep in mind, we're testing these in daylight. So wait till we get the LEDs on. You'll really see the difference, especially because we're in daylight. So in the box here, get a set of instructions, manual I mean, but that also shows you how to install them. A pair of little gloves, I guess. And here are the actual headlights. So they are metal, like they're aluminum. See, it's got a nice gasket. These are the turn signal lights. And then these are my marker lights. So I'm gonna do the headlight stuff first. So once you get your hood open and you make sure you can get to your headlight here, let me get some light in here so you guys can see. We're gonna start with the high beam, low beam. These are your main headlight. So I'm gonna come down here. This is on a Ford. Keep in mind this might not work on all trucks and cars, but I'm gonna twist it. Comes out right here. And we're gonna depress this right here and just pull it out of the plug there. And we're gonna set this to the side. Go ahead and plug our new light in until it clicks, just like that. Then stick the new light in the housing. Find where it slots in. Like that. And now we're going to twist it to the left again to lock it in. And now that light's locked in. Next light we're going to do is the turn signal here. So I'm going to turn it to the right. Pops out. Now this light we don't have to unplug. We're just going to pull the bulb out of it, just like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and put our new Oxylam light in there. Boom, pops in just like that. Now just like the high beam, low beam light, we're going to find where it slots in and twist to the left to lock it in. My last light is up in the corner here, and we're going to twist it to the left on this light. There it is. It's super tiny. I'm going to pull it out. The new Oxylam light bulb in there. Just like that. It should look like that. Feel firm in there. And then we are going to twist it upwards to the right, just like that, to lock it in. All right, super simple. There's all the new headlights right in there. Go ahead and close your hood now. And just like that, you have LED headlights installed. Look at how much brighter those are. Those are so much brighter than before. Keep in mind this is on low beam too. Not only is it super functional, it makes driving at night way easier, it also makes the truck look so much better. LED lights, I think that looks so much better. Let's see what the high beams look like. And those are the high beams. Look at that. That is sick. I think that really made the truck look a lot better. I am super happy with that. All right, let's go take it for a drive on the dark, see what they look like at night. All right guys, I'm out here driving with the new Oxylam lights. This is on low beam, and as you guys just saw, they are so bright. This is high beam, really helps light up the peripherals there. It's shining all over those barns. As you guys have seen, these headlights are a huge performance and looks upgrade for your car or truck. They light up the road like you wouldn't believe. Even in broad daylight right now, and they are still shining into the barn and onto the back wall. Look at that. That's how bright they are. So if you like what you see and you want to pick yourself up a set of them, make sure you use my product link down in the description. That'll take you right to their website. And make sure when you're checking out, use code SpruceHillEarth for 20% off your order. That's code SpruceHillEarth for 20% off your Oxylam headlight order. Thanks again to Oxylam. You guys go get yourself some Oxylam bulbs, and I will see you all in the next one.